Hi guys, if you're watching this, you're here for a MintMongoose video. I believe this is March, is MintMongoose. I always seem to get mine like very late, and then it doesn't help that I have only really been able to like film one day a week maybe lately, and so I've been knocking out all of my videos at once. But anyways, if you're curious, MintMongoose is a jewelry subscription box where they send you, sorry, I got stuck on the word box. Box isn't the right word, but it is a monthly jewelry subscription. And there's a couple of different plans you can get. You can get add-ons such as like earrings and a t-shirt or something like that. I just get the base plan. Now, historically, it was supposed to be 2 necklaces and a bracelet. Now, I think they might be moving to 1 necklace and a bracelet. I don't know anymore. Last month's was weird. I wasn't mad about it. It was just weird. Anyways, let's go ahead and see what we have here. We have our little envelope with our MintMongoose wax seal, which I love. Every month does come with a little infographic, and then on the back it tells you about the inspiration for the jewelry. So first of all, I love this infographic. This has given me some serious inspiration. Like I need to go in the mountains. It's been a minute since I've been to the mountains. But anyways, let's go ahead and read about this. So this month's theme is Clarity in the Fog. It says this month's set is inspired by overcoming the fog we can sometimes feel as we navigate our day-to-day lives. The seed that would grow into this set was planted one chilly morning a few months back. You know those mornings where a thick fog blankets your surroundings as far as the eye can see? It was that sort of morning. That thick fog has a more symbolic meaning behind the literal moisture in the air. When you're going through your day-to-day without taking time to sit and process what is going on in your life at that time, it can be easy to find yourself going through the motions without a clear, big picture direction. When you wear this jewelry set, I hope it inspires you to live more intentionally, to snap out of the routine, and take a look at your life with a fresh and focused pair of eyes. I hope it reminds you to take time to process what is going on in your life as it is happening. Doing this will empower you to make changes if you don't like the way something is going, because you do have that power. Or if you are happy with the way things are going, to enjoy the ride. Remember, time that passes without you realizing it has passed isn't time that you spent living life to the fullest. Very deep. Love my monthly moment of zen. Let's go ahead and get into the box. So you can choose whether you want rose silver or rose gold, or there is a 4th option, which is just surprise me, which that is the option I choose every month because I am just, I don't know, I feel like I can pull off all the metal types. I know not everyone feels that way, or maybe their skin tone isn't as adaptable as mine. Every month usually does come with a Werther's original. There's like 1 month within the past couple months that they forgot. I'm still upset about it. And this is something that's not guaranteed to come in your box. I don't understand why I'm having so many feelings about it. Anyways, let's go ahead and look at the bracelet, which the bracelet looks super cute. And I feel like it's not kind of her normal design aesthetic. And I'll have to figure out how to put this on. Oh, I see how to put it on. But this is what the bracelet looks like this month. It is just literally a simple hemp cord with 2 beads. And I love that. This is actually something I could see myself wearing a lot. I don't really normally wear a whole lot of bracelets, which maybe I just need to change my subscription then. But this is very cute, and it's very much part of my natural like aesthetic right here. Okay, so this is what it looks like on. It's very cute. Now we'll go ahead and look at the other item in this, which I think it's just 1 necklace if I had to guess, and it's a little hard to tell. I think I maybe got the gold or the rose gold. Oh, so there are 3 items this month. It is earrings, it is a necklace, and a bracelet. So I guess last month I got a bracelet, and I got a necklace, and I got a set of earrings. I have to apologize. Roxanne knows it's Mark Box Day, and I'm filming that one soon, and she's whining outside the door. But anyway, so last month's bracelet I was not a fan of because it was literally just, it was like a friendship bracelet I could have made by myself, and it bugged me. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, why am I paying for this? But anyways, we'll go ahead and move on to the set of earrings, which, oh, they are very cute, but I did drop one. So 1 minute. Oh God, my hands are sore. I did crunch yesterday. Anyways. Well, this is awkward. This earring was, the hook was put on backwards. It's a pretty simplistic design, so I might just be able to fix it myself real quick. Okay, they were both done like that. Okay, either way, it should be pretty easy to fix. Just 1 minute. But this is what the earrings look like, which they are super cute. I will try them on, I promise. Just 1 minute. So I have gotten jewelry, not necessarily broken, from MintMongoose before, and the customer service was totally great, and they ended up sending me some extra stuff. Anyways, now that I fixed the earrings, we'll go ahead and just put these bad boys on. Cute. Love that. Cute! Okay, let's go ahead and see what this next thing is, which I think is a necklace. Now, their necklaces generally come with adjustable chains, so you can decide how long or short it is. With that being said, it's not like, oh, you can decide if it's gonna be like a more hanging pendant necklace, like down closer to like your chest, or whether it's up here. It's adjustable within a certain range, if that makes sense. And it just kind of depends on the design of the necklace every month. So let's go ahead and, oh, my necklace is tangled. 1 minute. There we go. So this is what the necklace looks like, which I like. I like that a lot. It does look like it's gonna be a little bit more short, a little more closer around the neck, which I have learned through this that I have a like weirdly muscular neck. Probably just because I work outside and do a lot of things outside. But she cute. Anyways, we'll go ahead and wrap up this video. If you enjoyed this video, thank you guys so much for watching. Please consider doing all the things that make the YouTube algorithm more likely to suggest my video to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and turning on that notification bell. Anyways, I hope you guys had a happy Easter. Thanks for watching.